Hello everyone and welcome back to the TCG-Boomtown-Finds. We've got another Adrenalyn pack opening tonight. We've got a classic tin this time, couple of packs outside and a golden baller in there as well. So let's get into it, see what we can find. So we can find another one of these excellence cards, or maybe even an auto or something like that. If we can get the pack open, jingsy crivens. That's tight. I've bent the case trying to get it open. So we've got a couple of limited editions in there as well. Hopefully a signature would be really nice. So let's get into these. It's very tight, the tightest one we've found yet. So let's get into these base set packs first, see what we can find. First off is a Kyle Walker. We've got Molyneux, home of Wolves of course. Tyrone Mings there. Dan Burn. We've got a midfield master, Billy Gilmore. Magic Touch, Bernardo Silva. Our download code, Beto and Callum Wilson to finish off. So we've got a Trent first here. We've got a James Ward-Prowse. A Phenom, Bruno Fernandes. Magic Touch, Pedro Neto. Download code, Tom Kearney. Max Kilman, Connor Chaplin, and Pape Matar Sarr to finish off that pack there. To start off this pack, we've got a Jean-Philippe Mateta, Mario Lemina, Powerhouse Mavropanos, Magic Touch Pedro Neto again, another download code. We've got a Christian Walton, Alex Scott, Fabian Schär. We're finishing off with James Bree. The next one. First off, we've got a Tanzabi, Pierre-Emile Hojberg, Luis Sinistera, Hypersonic, and Ice Julian Alvarez, Thomas Suchek, Tom Cannon, Matis Kuna, and Martin Odegaard to finish off that pack. This one we start off with Yuri Tielemans. We've got St James's Park, home of Newcastle of course. Got a Fire Semenyo, an Arsenal badge, download code again, Nathan Ake for City. We've got a Moises Caicedo for Chelsea, Fabian Schär again, and James Bree to finish off that one. Starting off with the base set Julian Alvarez there, Levy Colwell, a golden baller Son Heung-min. Another one we've found in a base set pack. Son seems to be the favourite in these base set packs, which is interesting. Certainly the one I always get if it's inside a base set. We'll pop him up there. Then we've got a midfield master, Mateo Kovacic. We've got a Dwight McNeil, Sean Longstaff, Ivan Toney, and Harry Suter. Last of the base set packs here. We've got an Alexander Isaac first. Anfield, home of Liverpool of course. We've got Miguel Almiron, Leonardo Trossard. We've got super stopper Matt Sells. Certainly was against Liverpool yesterday. Played very, very well. Ipswich Town badge. Download code. We've got a Christian Romero and a Christopher Aguirre to finish off. So let's go for the limited editions first. See what we can find in these. See if we can find a signature would be nice. We've got a midfielder from Fulham. And we have got a limited edition Harry Wilson. Very nice. Pop that in one of these penny sleeves. There we go. Our next limited edition. I think we've seen a little bit of that. So we've got a midfielder for Manchester City. It could have been a few, but I spotted the corner of it. I don't know if you guys did. It is it a signature? Just the standard limited edition. Still looking great though. KDB, Kevin De Bruyne. Limited edition. Certainly don't have him in my set yet, so that's always great to find one you're looking for. Pop them in there. And lastly, in this opening, we've got the Golden Baller. So I think we're needing odd numbers actually. I think we need 1, 3, and maybe 5. Who have we got? It's McAllister. Alexei McAllister in this one. Very nice, good looking card. That's a double for us now. We've already got one in the set, but it still looks great. Maybe we'll be able to trade it potentially for one that we're needing. Pop that in there. So just to finish off, see what we'll find in these sets. So we've got the Alexei McAllister first, the Golden Baller. Got the KDB limited edition there. Got the Golden Baller Son Heung-min. And we've got the limited edition Harry Wilson. Excellent. Well, thanks again for watching, everyone. As always, please like and subscribe if you're enjoying the videos. Really appreciate it. We'll catch you in the next one. Thank you very much. Cheers.